Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to change font size to whole document. So let's get started. At first you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Now you want to change the whole document font size. We can see here two pages. One page is PDF tutorial or the easy book. You want to change the all text size. You can press Ctrl A on your keyboard. Otherwise, you can drag this to page. Now I am select the first page. Then make the font size 11. Press Enter. Then go to another page and select the page and press 11. Then press Enter. You can see here all pages font size all same. Now we can see we make the all or whole document text or font size same very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.